Most performance BMW engines come equipped with a factory oil cooler located underneath the front of the vehicle. This oil cooler is protected by a thin plastic guard that is designed to shield the cooling fins from dirt, road debris, and impact, while still allowing enough airflow to keep the oil cooler functioning properly. However, the factory plastic oil cooler guards are extremely brittle. Over time, or after impact from road debris, they can crack, flex, or break completely. If that happens, the oil cooler becomes exposed, which can lead to oil leaks, engine overheating, and potentially catastrophic engine damage. In today's video, we'll be reinforcing our vehicle by replacing the factory plastic oil cooler guard with our upgraded full-metal BAVMODS version, featuring a hex-cool design that allows peak airflow while adding serious protection and long-term reliability. The first thing we're going to do is remove all of the factory nuts and bolts that hold the plastic oil cooler guard in place. Looking underneath the front of the vehicle, we can see that there are 4 screws spread out across the front bumper area. We can also see a small gap where the oil cooler guard connects to the fender liner. Using an 8mm socket, we'll go ahead and loosen the first bolt. Then, we'll use that same 8mm socket to remove the other 3 screws across the front section. Once those screws are removed, the oil cooler guard will begin to loosen, and we'll be ready to remove the remaining screws across the backside. Now, depending on your exact BMW chassis, there may be a different number of screws holding this guard to the frame of the vehicle. On this BMW SUV, we can also see that there are 2 push clips that look like this. These push clips use a 2-piece design, and removing them is very straightforward. Using a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, we'll pull up the top section of the clip so it fully retracts out of the base. This loosens the clip and allows us to pull it free from the vehicle. As we can see here, once the push pin comes out, the actual clip narrows, which allows it to be easily removed. We'll do the same exact thing to any other push clip that is still attached. Now, with both of those clips removed, we'll verify one more time that there are no additional screws holding the plastic oil cooler guard in place. Once everything is free, we can simply grab the guard and pull it away from the vehicle. Do note that there are plastic clips on the backside of these guards, so we'll need to unlatch it from the oil cooler itself by pulling it forward. Once it releases, the guard will simply pull free, and our oil cooler will now be fully exposed. Now we can go ahead and replace this old plastic part. With the plastic shield removed, we can clearly see that the oil cooler is now fully exposed. This makes it very easy to understand why this upgrade is important. The metal fins that are designed to cool our oil while we drive are facing downward, which means they are directly exposed to road debris, rocks, and impact from underneath the vehicle. If this component gets damaged, it can cause an oil leak, which can lead to engine overheating and catastrophic engine failure in a matter of seconds. We can also see the oil feed line running directly from the engine to the oil cooler, where the oil circulates through the cooler and then returns back to the engine. Because of that, any damage to this oil cooler can quickly turn into thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, side by side, we have our factory plastic oil cooler guard and our upgraded BAVMODS metal oil cooler guard. Looking at the factory plastic piece, we can see that the only thing protecting the oil cooler from debris are these small plastic beams. These plastic sections are known to break off when they get hit by road debris. Additionally, this factory piece is extremely bendable and flexible. That means, if we were to run something over, the shield could flex upward and push directly into the oil cooler, potentially causing damage. Our upgraded metal version is designed to solve that problem. It cannot flex or bend the same way the factory plastic guard can. It is extremely durable, strong, and built to provide a much higher level of protection. The hex-cool design uses an open hexagon pattern, which allows a strong amount of airflow to pass through, while still providing a rigid and durable metal structure. This gives us the best of both worlds: improved protection and proper airflow for the oil cooler. Paired with factory-style mounting points, this upgrade is extremely straightforward and is a no-brainer for any enthusiast looking to protect their BMW and get the most life out of their engine. The factory plastic piece is going to have these clips here, and we will not need to transfer these over. On the new BAVMODS oil cooler guard, these are replaced by the metal pegs that we can see here. Into those two front metal pegs, we'll install these bolts. As we can see, they simply thread into place and secure the front section of the guard. Make sure these two bolts are installed in the front mounting points and do not mix them up with the other hardware. As for the other plastic components, such as the brackets that hold onto the oil cooler, we will not need to transfer those over either. Those factory plastic pieces can be set aside or discarded. Now, our BAVMODS upgraded oil cooler guard comes with included hardware. This hardware includes two styles of screws. The smaller screws can be installed with a Phillips screwdriver, and these will go into the standard mounting holes. The larger bolts with the larger washers will go up front into these slotted mounting points. Before installing the new oil cooler guard onto the vehicle, we'll lay out all of our hardware and make sure every screw is going into the correct location. Now, using the included foam, we'll carefully lay our new oil cooler guard into position so we can line everything up. Then, we'll lift it into place, making sure the front section slides underneath the front bumper area. Once everything is held in position, we can hand thread the two thicker front bolts into place. One helpful tip is to install the washers on the back side of those bolts, so they do not sit too narrow against the front bumper. The washers help distribute the force across the bumper mounting area, keeping everything secure for a long-lasting fit. We'll simply hand thread them in while positioning the washer, and once everything is lined up, we can snug them down. Now that the front section is at least held in place, we can also use the included hardware to secure the rest of the oil cooler guard. Before we reposition the push clips right here, it is important to note that these outer screws can be a little difficult to get into place. That is because the front bumper, the new oil cooler guard, and the wheel fender liner all need to line up perfectly for those outer screws to thread in correctly. So we may need to adjust and play with the alignment a little bit to get that final screw started. The easiest way to do this is to place the screw through the hole and gently wiggle the bumper, fender liner, and oil cooler guard until the threads line up. Once it catches, we can tighten it down. Now we can go ahead and tighten down the two front bolts so everything is nice and secure. The final step is to secure the push pins back into place. To reinstall them, make sure the back portion of the clip is pulled all the way out. Then, push the base into the mounting hole, and once the base is seated, push the center section back in. This will lock the push clip into place. Now, as we can see, all of our bolts and screws are fully tightened down. All of the rear mounting points are secured. The screws have been tightened with our socket, and the front bolts are sitting nice and flush. Everything is fully installed and secured properly. Just like that, our BMW's oil cooler is now fortified with a full metal BAVMODS upgrade. This will help prevent road debris from damaging such a sensitive component, while still allowing proper airflow for a performance engine to operate at full efficiency. Most importantly, this upgrade adds peace of mind by protecting the oil cooler from unnecessary damage that could lead to expensive repairs. Overall, this upgrade was a success. Thank you very much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful install videos like this one.